Hello peoples, and welcome back. As you'll recall, last time our robot worked out wonderfully.
Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw.
And looked, well.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
So this time, let's start from scratch and try not to make something that looked like it was made in the 7th ring of hell. Start by getting rid of the old robot. Actually, I might need those. In addition to the components we used last time, we'll need a few more things. Specifically, a PCA 9685 controller board, a 5-volt 5 amps power adapter, a barrel jack. Unlike last time, let's actually give this dude some personality and give him a splash of color. And by the way, I've actually come up with the official name of the robot. His name is Bob. Now he feels bonita.
Do you or do you not feel bonita?
I feel bonita.
Wonderful, because you look bonita.
Really make sure you get rid of the old robot. Connect some 18-gauge wire to the barrel jack. And run the other ends to the PCA board. Similar to last time, we'll attach a servo to the top of his body to be his head. Next, grab the head block and attach it to the servo. Mount the third servo to about here on the body. This will be your shoulder joint. Now do the same with the other side. We'll attach his biceps to his shoulder servos. Make sure that they are at the down position when the servos are at position 0. Once again, repeat on the other side. Mount his forearms like this, so they can articulate horizontally. This will give Bob some more personality. Once again, the same with the other side. Place the PCA board on Bob's back like so. This way it won't look like a bloody murder scene mess of wires again. Glue the Arduino Uno to Bob as well. Also glue a mini breadboard. Oh snap, I forgot the breadboard has a sticky back. Clutch AF. Make sure to run a small wire off of the power supply's ground connection. We'll use this to make a common ground to the Arduino so the robot doesn't fucking explode. I'm using a jumper wire. I beheaded one end and wrapped it around the ground wire. This leaves the other end, which is a pin free to use with the Arduino. Grab some female to male jumper wires. We'll use these to wire up the PCA to the Arduino. Let's go through this very quickly, otherwise everyone clicks off the video by these boring parts.
VCC, connect this to any row on the breadboard. G and D, connect this to a different row on the breadboard. SDA, connect this pin to the A4 pin. SCL, connect this pin to the A5 pin.
Connect a wire from the 5 volt on the Arduino to our now dedicated power row, and do the same with the ground. In this footage, my dumbass ran from the VIN pin, not the 5 volt. Don't be a moron like me. Now connect all the servos to the PCA board. For the forearm ones, you may need to use some wire extenders in order to comfortably reach the PCA board's pins. A lot of work, but anything for Bob. Aforementioned wire extenders. So much for not being a crime scene looking mess of wires, eh? Now we gotta give Bob a face. I've turned the LED matrix sideways so the wires are at the top. This is for aesthetics, but will be a huge pain in the ass when I program it, as all faces will be turned 90 degrees. Right, next step is to run wire extenders from the LED thing's pins in order to be able to reach the Arduino. Yay! You guessed it, more wiring. Again, I'll go through it quickly. VCC to the 5V row on the breadboard. GND to the GND row on the breadboard. DIN to pin 11. CS to pin 10. CLK to pin 13. But wait, we're not done yet. That's right, we still have hella coding to do, so buckle up. Cue the coding montage. Coding all done. Now where were we? Oh yeah,